the very definition of astig.
Correct.
The very definition of astig.
Nilalaman ka na ng lahat, diba? Pero dito nagpalamon.
Mas lalaki pa si Inday sa mga lalaking leaders ngayon.
Correct, oo.
Diba? Sabi ni Inday, hindi ako nabibili. Kita mo? And hindi gigil si Inday sa pagiging presidente. Kasi kung gigil si Inday sa pagiging presidente, girl, she could have just played the game. Play it all alone. Dahil mahirap tumakbo against an incumbent, against a candidate ng incumbent, dahil malaki ang resources niyan. She could have just play alone. Diba? Pero, Inday didn't. Mali ang desisyon niya na nakipag-partner kay Marcos. Okay. Hindi ba? So, ngayon, Inday fully unveiled her decision-making. Inday fully unveiled who she is as a boss. And Inday fully unveiled what we can expect from her when it comes to sense of ownership. So, nung interview ko kasi, it's more tell Yung interview ko sa kanya, it's more tell. Pero, we can only prove our mettle when circumstance tests us.